This is Chambers Street. This is 14th Street.
Transfer is available to the 3, F, and L trains. Connection is available to PATH trains.
This is Franklin Avenue.
Transfer is available to the 5 train. Transfer is available to the Franklin Avenue shuttle.
This is Franklin Avenue.
Transfer is available to the 4 train. Transfer is available to the Franklin Avenue shuttle.
This is Atlantic Avenue-Barclays Center.
Transfer is available to the D, N, Q, and R trains. Connection is available to the Long Island Railroad.
This is Borough Hall.
Transfer is available to the R train.
This is Bowling Green.
Transfer is available to the 1, 2, and R trains. Transfer is available to the Staten Island Ferry.
This is Fulton Street.
Transfer is available to the A, C, and J trains.
Connection is available to PATH trains.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for riding with MTA New York City Transit.